we're going to talk about the pros and cons of solar. My name is Mitch. I work with Big Dog Solar. We've seen over 13,000 installs from small residential to huge agricultural, and I'm just here to share experiences of what we've gained and the challenges that we've seen over those 13,000 installs. So in this video, we're going to talk about the pros and cons of solar, what we've seen over time, and how batteries lately are changing the industry game and why so many homeowners are going solar for more than just saving a dime. They want that battery backup. Because the truth is, people are feeling a lot more pressure. Rising rates, a lot more outages from a kind of sketchy grid, and the worst thing you can do is to go solar expecting full total control and still end up vulnerable. So the goal here is that by the end of this video, you will know what you can and can't do with solar and whether or not batteries should be a part of that. First, lower energy costs. With many utilities, you get net metering, which allows you to lock in a price, so even though utility rates rise over time, yours will stay the same and much more manageable. Secondly, I think it's smart to be good stewards of our environment, and solar is an excellent way to do that. Third, home value. As solar demand increases, so does the price and the valuation of your property or your home. So that's a good asset to have in your back pocket, or on your roof, as it were. And lastly, energy independence. If you pair your solar with battery backup, if you have long outages, have some peace of mind if there are any sort of outages or blackouts on the grid. So let's talk about the cons. Some people associate going solar with a big upfront ticket price. But while there is some cost, there are dozens, if not hundreds, of great financing options to make it affordable. Secondly, not every home is solar ready. If you have a lot of trees or if your home is not on a secured foundation, that might not be the right situation for you. Lastly, it can be complicated. There's a lot of little nuances in going solar. So, my best advice that I can honestly give to you is either make sure you check all those boxes yourself, or you do some due diligence and find a partner that you can trust to help you through that process. So make sure you pick somebody who really knows their stuff and you'll be fine. Again, we want to make this process easy and informative, so don't weigh your pros and cons in the dark. We have a free solar score quiz you can take to help evaluate. It's personalized, it's location-based, and it will help you to determine if solar is even a good possibility for you in your home. If you have any other questions, hit us up. Give us a call. We're happy to help.